make the porno bed?
Get on, Kevin. Cannon.
Oh, hear that? Hear that? Hear that? I'm lagging bad, dude.
I'm going over.
No!
Did you make it?
Did you go? I made it.
I'm missing, I'm with you.
What the fucking lag, dude? Lagging so bad. What the
Stay alive, stay alive. Guys, pull it off his mask.
What the fuck is this lag? He just got hit with a shot, that's fucking. Bro, what is this lag?
He dropped that gun.
Bro, it's so bad. No, you don't understand how bad it is.
Yeah.
So
Put the mask down.
dude, I swear to God, I can't play. I can't play. Like, I literally cannot play. Are you lagging at all?
I bagged one. No, I'm not lagging.
No, yeah, no. Yeah.
Oh, you got the virus.
Whereabouts, bed? Whereabouts? Do you want a bed?
Will you come back? I fucked up.
I'm back. I'm help.
Yeah, get on Pat.
Go over.
Get on Pat. The patch and mask on it. He's on cannon. I killed him.
I can't even load the cannon.
Right, 70. He's trying to revive his teammate.
Yeah, you got it.
Come on up. Killed one. No, fucking sword.
Yeah, pretty cute. Oh, dude. These people would be sunk if I wasn't lagging. I can't do any, bro. I've literally no point in playing.
Come here. You might need a experiment again.
They're fucking idiots.
Yeah, drop that sap. There's some.
Bro.
Cheers, boys.
What the hell? I have nothing on me. What the fuck?
Oh, no.
What the fuck? Oh, send me in more, man.
I am. I'm full of it. It's
Did I get on over?
Maybe right.
No, I'm not lagging. I was before. It might have been the server.
Maybe. Might have been a person playing on the server.
Maybe, yeah. Because I'm not lagging, you know.
Did I get on or no? Oh, you are.
What the hell? These guys are full blind moves.
What move?
Bro, they're like, Jesus Christ, these guys are brave. These guys have just been born. They're still fucking slimy.
What the fuck? Oh, that's pretty good.
Why did you not come to the fight?
They're just fucking bored.
Get off that. You're not allowed on the cannon. What the? Now I'm lagging.
Yeah, the shit like he does fall back in.
No, what the hell?
Oh, come on.
Started lagging, dude. As soon as I actually want to fight him. This is teleporting around the ship. There's nothing I can do.
I don't really want to waste time. Hey, baby, the mod
And this great take off.
How's that change? I'm going. Running.
Green
Okay.
You're kidding me, I got the black screen bug.
No, restart.
Talk about gay.
It's when you're dead.
Dude, why? Game is fucking so gay, man. It's never changed. It has always been the biggest fucking bug. Dead set. All this fucking game is, dude. No wonder no one plays it any fucking more. Swear to God. Everyone stop playing this fucking game. Good reason. Wow, in a fucking hourglass where you're supposed to fucking literally come on the server to fight and then they run. That's hilarious.
Yeah. No. Let's see you get that.
When am I gonna buy what? When are you looking to? Wednesday.
How am I missing these?
Yeah, I literally, as soon as I got home, I was like, fuck, I forgot to ring the address there. I'm going down to Maxville and then I'm coming back to I'll be in Cole. What? Oh, by me. What's Strasbourg?
Sedley?
On Wednesday or tomorrow?
You want to stop? You want to stop there? You should have. No, you should have ended one.
No, they turned out.
Yeah. I killed one.
I'm not gonna pack lunch Wednesday. Yeah. No, I can.
Okay.
You might as well.
Come back.
One's trying to board.
Where?
Has he got a keg? Has he actually got a keg? He's got a keg.
Oh, well.
Good, great sale, great sale.
Shit. They're trying to do a keg play? What?
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's funny.
Well, yeah, because he's gonna try and swim it in.
No.
Should I go?
But that's where the keg is. They try to do a keg play. I fucking love this. I fucking love it.
There he is.
Where you see him?
You're gonna miss him.
No. What a kill there.
What, man? Sorry, say again, you talk so soft. Oh. The only reason I'm not cold is because I'm fucking heated from the game. The game provides me with all the warmth I need. Because it just works me up, hey. Instead of sweating when it's cold, I just get fucking warm. My blood just warms. It's actually weird how that works, though.
Fuck are these things doing, bro? You're sucking the fucking media. Stay waste people, stay waste people. You're not gonna make that.
I'm not gonna, I was just gauging where the cannonball's gonna go. Oh, they're turning out so far, dude.
Is this guy committed to the fucking gameplay or what?
Maybe, man, maybe. I'm thinking that's what they're doing. He's just getting fully to the
Oh,
yeah,
come back, to
turned
him,
out.
then turn him.
Back, back.
Might have to chop him.
Did I just board him?
No. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I might get the board here, I might get the board here. Yeah.
They got in you there.
Yeah.
A bag one, go up.
I missed. Nice, they're anchored.
Come in.
He's rezzing.
Come
He
in.
rezzed? What? He rezzed his mate? Oh no, he's a pistol lord. With his frickin' aimbot. He's a pistol lord. I rock my pistol, man. Thunder's not work anymore, I probably should. I literally walked up in his face and shot him with a blunder and it just took him off his mate.
Yeah, what did that do? What's that?
Oh, he's dead. Oh, his mate's back. Oh, no way, I hit the rail. Bro, they're fucking, what's the name lords? They're pistol lords. They just keep tapping me with a pistol. Just got thrown off the boat.
Yeah, Lundy not back, bro.
No, then he didn't even shoot me. He got thrown off the boat by the freaking
One bird.
Brad. Yeah. The blowback is so crazy on Blondie, you know? Backflashed on me. They're panicking.
The fucking dirt.
One's dead. Where's the other one?
Dead.
Oh, they're done. GG's, nice. Bro, I watched the last night, Demon. Oh, hilarious, mate. Fucking hilarious. It's like doing the chant. It's like, eating what comes to you from Mother Nature, and then she's like, to the window, to the wall. Like, now all you bitches crawl. Look down my balls. Oh, fucking funny.
What time, bro?
You know that song?
Yeah, I do.
To the window, to the wall. All you bitches crawl.
Well,
Another heater. I'm in an important situation, guys.
I come.
give me a sec as soon as I can't fucking hurt these people.
I'll do it.
Dude,
They fucked up my wood, bro. Hold on.
angle. I got no angle.
Give me a bucket, man.
Allow me.
Oh my god, that is my fucking head.
Nice. Chain that shit.
Hold up. Oh, what? How did I miss that? Ball one.
Nice.
Got it. Stop him with res, or he just got res. Or maybe let go after. How's this guy not dead?
And done.
No, I'm going.
He's watching you.
Is he really?
He's one back. They're both watching.
Thank you. Oh, this way, this way. Oh no. Oh no, that sword uses. Fuck. Fuck, dude. Hit pressure. Damn it, that sword uses when I couldn't reload. I hate sword users, man. Your sword is so good. So ugly. Even though I'm back. I'm back. Let me on.
Bag on. Go on, over. He's putting up mask.
Jason.
But yeah.
I'm like, what do you mean?
Yeah.
My parents aren't together. So many people used to say to me, oh, my parents aren't together. What the fuck? I can't relate.
Shitty ass. Oh fuck! It's a raid.
Oh,
What
bro,
side?
have you seen that movie?
Yeah. Left.
Movie.
Left.
The
What you doing?
Django Unchained? Yeah, the Django Unchained, I'm fucking gone, bro. That's crazy. I literally just got fucking popcorned off the boat.
I attacked him.
Oh,
right?
that's so good.
See if you try to get on.
Oh my god, it's Silly Billy. It's Silly Billy. It's Silly
Billy.
Billy.
Who's that?
A guy I know. Oh my god, he's so sweaty. He's so sweaty, dude.
Oh shit, you dropped the anchor. You didn't tell me you dropped the anchor.
Yeah. Sorry.
And they fucked up our wheel with those in. He's watching you.
He's so sweaty, dude.
His friend tried to board, he failed. Just stay alive, bro. Oh yeah, I know this guy. He's off the shit running.
Okay, Billy BT, this guy,
Yeah.
I ran into this guy the first time I ever played with him. And we rolled the dice with me cap.
I need you back now.
I'm coming. So Pete.
They're moving on now.
Come on. Hang on there. What are you going to do?
Hold up. Turn. Get down below. Just go patches real quick. I fucked up a little huh? Okay, come up.
You hear me? If you get me close, I do have a peace ball and a jig ball.
Aim a little bit higher.
so off with my shot truck.
I hit cannon.
How did I miss that chain, dude? Hit chain, hit chain.
Nice. I hit cannon.
Hit wheel.
They're running. Send me out, send me out, send me out. They are.
No, it wouldn't let me get in.
They're running.
Reset it hard.
They're resetting.
God, they're out of here, bro. They caught wind and said, yeah, fuck that.
Yeah, just patch. Sure, we need to go at the back.
So I went
I should have bagged that guy too.
the race style. It's got mad, bloody hell, it's still a BC, fucking try so hard. If I try and just board,
No, don't.
I'll probably get this.
Yeah, but you don't probably die.
Oh no, I don't get this. He's shooting at me. Bro, why can't I catch him?
Are you here?
Yeah, get on wheel, get on wheel.
Yeah, I loaded it in for you. I think I get mask one. Would I just get mask one?
Hey, right. Oh my god, so off. No.
What's it? Oh, mask one, some patching. Just focus on pin line, just focus on pin line. Don't worry about chaser. I fucked up my wheel. Grab wheel, you fucking piece of shit game! Oh my god. Yeah, that's just failing. Oh, wheels fucked. Just, yeah, get patches with it. Patch. Oh, do I have it soon?
So trash on tennis today.
I'm a walk in. There we go. He's running again.
I hit him.
Yeah, he's gotta play very, very passively because he knows who we are.
God, this fucking.
Oh shit!
Dude, this bug's so bad. I cannot fucking grab them if I'm here, I'm here.
Get on, Kenan.
No
Get on,
angle.
sit again.
Dude. Drop the chain, drop them up.
Very nice.
Oh my god, no, I need to eat, I need to eat.
Backflash.
Oh, bro, he doesn't need cannon. Look, bold one, bold one, bold one.
Nice. Drop their mouth down.
Big bold one. Big bold one. Oh, they dropped, they dropped.
Nice.
Bold one again, I'm going. What the
Pop the patch real quick.
hell, man? I threw 2 blunders at him. He's just a sword lord. He jumped in the water swording me.
Oh, you died?
No, I hit him twice with blunder and it didn't kill him, bro. How, lad? I hit him with 1 blunder to red. What the fuck? I threw a blunder right in the face with red. Fuck this game.
Bro, what the fuck was seeking from?
Fuck this game, bro. That was, I literally had them. That was it. I'm going again.
Hold up. Guys,
He's in the
what up?
water.
He's
He's in the
in the
water.
water.
No, he's opening up. He's opening up.
Tapped him once. Try to catch his bird. Tapped him again. He got his man. He's a one
They
shot.
have no. Oh my god, they're just fucking sword users. They're both back. No way, my god, they're just awful. You gotta keep pressure.
Yeah, well, we had so many fucking holes, bro. You just fucking left me.
Ray. How did my pineapple ray? I had him. My pineapple ray, bro. I'm not letting you go. Game's so rough, man. I just keep getting ray, man. That's all that ever happens to me, man. Oh, nothing ever works in my favour because I'm a fucking useless cunt. I deserve to fucking fail.
Alright, stay on cannon. Just real quick, because
Yeah,
I need to catch up patches real quick. Just spread holes, just spread holes. What do you do?
I'm just trying to fucking do everything.
They got an anchor up.
Oh, they did?
I think they do, they're moving. They're slowly spinning. I tapped one of them. Oh, fuck, that was a dirty shot. Shot him from the fucking.
Hi, dude. Why am I getting lag spikes?
Is English still good? Alright, we're good. We're dry.
One's gonna raise.
That was fuck. Watch out for this.
Who's with these cannons?
Aim low up.
I'm aiming at bucket spot.
I tapped one of them.
Smash their wheel.
Good. Send it. Dead shot. You have to dead shot.
No, I didn't.
Look it up. Close it. Just a second. You got it?
No, I don't know how to do it.
Oh. I knocked his friend over. His friend's in the water with me.
Losing angle.
Fuck, I wouldn't shoot, bro. Oh boy, no way!
Got him ball one.
Definitely. Give me a ladder.
Go, go, go.
No way that did not grab. What the fuck was that?
How did
Leg?
that not fall him? How did that not fall him? This game, dude.
Bro, boy, no.
That edge of the bucket. I don't understand. How are they fucking getting off the buckets and patching at the same time? And they're
Because
just not
they take it, that's all they're doing. They take it.
But they have so many holes.
Yeah, they take it, they just patch it. They just patch. Let's make it some what holes pack. I tapped in through the window. Might have to snipe with me, bro.
The amount of camp is fucking stupid.
Tapped him once.
Fucking targeting me.
There's your gun. Alright, I'm jumping. Oh, they had some kind of
Yeah,
pressure.
finally, dude.
GG's, man.